everyone, this is a quick demo of how to build a first version of your content system from your codebase using Ditto. So this is DPay, a small finance app for money transfers. And like most real products, it's already got a lot of language scattered across its screens, and I want to use and reference that. So I'm going to run this tool that Ditto has called scan. And what that's going to do is read through our codebase, extract every string we've shipped, and build a first content system from that. So you can see here it's finished extracting. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link to review what it's found. I'll put that into my browser. And it looks like Ditto found 99 strings in our codebase, 91 of which were unique, 8 repeated, and then we also have 2 languages, English and another one that it found. And Ditto's going to ask, hey, like, is there any more information, context you want to provide before it goes off and generates the content system. So I just said it was a finance app and then finished that. And then now you can see after a bit of loading that Ditto is now presenting us with our system. So it took all of that raw information from the code base and then tagged it, organized it, pulled out different relationships, turning it into this really rich model of our product language. And we're not done yet. I now get to leave feedback and shape it from here. So for the tags, for example, I'm just going to tweak it and be like, hey, can you tag it by UI element instead of what it was doing before, and it was able to regenerate that. And then maybe I can scroll through the rest of it, and if it looks good, I'll go ahead and say that. So the structure looks good. I found those 2 languages, English and Spanish. The developer IDs look good, so I can go ahead and finish. And now we've got the strings from our product organized and tagged with the context around it in what we call the component library in Ditto. And because Ditto detected 2 languages in our codebase, we're also able to bring in the Spanish translations automatically. So you can see here in the variants tab, we now have the translations for every single string we brought in. And all of the strings in our codebase are now something I can search, edit, and reuse. And then here, Ditto is taking one more step. It actually drafted a style guide based on all of that rich information it extracted from our codebase. You can see here, it was, a full style guide pulled from how our product actually talks. And then I could provide more feedback to keep shaping it if I wanted here as well. So that's it. In just a few minutes, starting from our actual code base, what's actually live, we've now got a first version of our content system. Thanks for watching.